What's good? What's good? What's good, my peeps? Here with another live show, and in today's little episode, we're gonna do some scouts. Hopefully, we make something. Either way, we're gonna try our best. That's what we do around here. Yesterday was my first live session. It went all right. I long Sui. I was in the trade for about 15. Nah, I was probably in the trade for like half an hour, 45 minutes. Got a little 28% move. Happy with that. Like, you can't complain. Like, you know what they say, you can't go broke. You can't go broke from fuck that. You can't go broke from taking profit. You feel me? But anyways, cool. Let's jump in the market. Cool, cool, cool. First things first, we need to see what Bitcoin's doing. And Bitcoin, I was looking at this yesterday, right? Looking at this yesterday. Let's get rid of this. I said this line needs to break. Obviously it didn't. It went up, rejected, created a new low. It's not looking good. We need 89.4 right here. We need this to hold. We need this to hold so bad. Otherwise, it's not looking good at all. That's on the 1 hour. Let's get rid of that because that didn't happen. I mean, like, this needs to hold, man. If this doesn't hold, it's long. Big chances Bitcoin's coming here. Turn that green. Uh, and if this doesn't hold, there's a bigger chance Bitcoin coming down here. Obviously, we don't want that. We need this. Right now, I'm not going to lie to you. It's not looking good, in it. I'm just being honest with you. If we pull our fib from the lowest swing to the highest swing, Bitcoin so far has hit the 0.5. It's hit the 0.5. We've seen some sort of reaction, yeah? Let's get rid of all of these boxes just so we can make this chart look clean. Cool, look. It's hit the 0.5. This is halfway of this whole move, yeah? It's hit that. We've seen some sort of reaction. Cool. If the 0.5 holds, then obviously we're going up. If it doesn't, we're going to be coming to 618. And if the 618 don't hold, we're pissed. So right now, we need something like this. Or something like this. Worst case scenario. Worst case scenario, we need that. But if it does this, we're screwed. We are screwed. If it does that, we're screwed. So yeah, that's what's going on with Bitcoin. Let's look at what Crypto Bubble's saying. Crypto Bubble, obviously nothing's looking good. That's on the daily. Let's go on the hourly. Nothing's looking good. That's crazy. Nothing's looking good. Yeah, boy. Cool. So how can we make money in this situation? I'm gonna show you how. I make I'm gonna show you how I make money in this situation. Well, I'm gonna try my best to make money. Yeah. First things first, we understand that Bitcoin is obviously on a downtrend on the hourly, on the 4 hour, whatever, yeah? And all the other coins are following it. Bitcoin's down 1.4%, all the other coins are down 2%. You can see this. It don't take a rocket science to realize what's going on, yeah? Alright, cool. So how do we make some money? It's either we can join the shorts or we can try fight the trend and do a long. Let's look at Sui. It's not looking good for Sui. Say the truth, it's not looking good for most of these coins. See, we came to Sui breaks down here. We can trade Sui. This is on the 15-minute. We can definitely trade Sui. If it breaks this yellow line, we can short Sui. We can aim for somewhere down here. 4% move, that's all right. That's nice. On a 20x leverage. What else looks nice? Wow, Zcash dumped. What happened to Zcash? Where's the other privacy coin? Dash. They're all dumping. That's crazy. Coin. At the moment, I wouldn't want to short coin just because we've got all of this. This is where it's at right now. You can't open up. Me personally, I can't open up a short on Fartcoin right now. Because why? Because all of this is support. You can't short. You can't short support. You can't short support at all. So Fartcoin is a no-no unless we start breaking down here. All right, cool. What other coins out there? AVAX. AVAX is coming to support. Can't short that. What else is there? So I feel like I missed the short. I feel like I missed the opportunity to short. Why do I say that? Because they're all they're all about to hit support. Only a madman will open up a short when the price is hitting support. So let's just keep an eye on Sui. Let's go on the 5-minute. Sui breaks this. We're short. And see, when I short as well, I don't like shorting the break, so I would want Sui to do something like this. Or like this. And then I'll short the lower high instead of shorting the break. That's just the way I do it, because back in the day when I used to short the break, the price acts like it could do anything. It can just bounce back up and then you'll be pissed. But I like when I open shorts, I like opening shorts on a lower high. And when I open longs, I like opening longs on a higher low. That's just the way I do it. But right now I'm kind of getting the feeling of I missed out on the shorts. Missed out on the shorts. We've pulled this fib level on the 4-hour. 0.5 needs to hold. It's weird how I said 0.5 needs to hold, but before I even done the fib level, like I knew 89 right here. 89,450 needs to hold. Otherwise, we're pissed. We're going down, 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 down. Twarzy asks, pump or dump? I don't know, my bro, but right now, though, I can tell you the Bears are winning. Like, doesn't take a rocket scientist to realize the Bears are winning, because look, Bears are winning. On the daily, Bears are winning. But either way, what we're going to try to do is make some money here. Quick scalps, nothing long, and we're not going to force the trades neither. We won't be forcing the trades neither. We just need some sort of direction. So cool. We know the 0.5 is here, yeah? So we can take the fib level off. We know the 0.5 is here. So we need this to hold. Fresh hour candles. Candle just opened. Bitcoin on the hourly below all the moving averages. Not a good sign. On the 15-minute, not a good sign. 5-minute, everything's indicating that we're gonna go even lower. But I don't just trade. I don't only trade moving averages. I don't do none of that. Do none of that. Oh, uni is about to break. Uni just made a new low on the 15-minute. Let's look at the 4-hour quick, see what's going on. Uni looks like a good short. Yeah, uni looks like a good short. All right. Uni looks like a good short. Why? This was a low, broke the low, made a new low. So let's just mark the low. Sunny white. See, look, this is why, yeah, I tell you I short the lower highs. Because look, made the new low, came back up. That's the lower high. And then now it's made a new low. If I sold this about like an hour and 45 minutes ago, I would have shorted here. It's been a nice move. But it's all right though, because now we just need it to do the exact same thing. We need it to make a new low. We need it to make a new low and come back up, make a lower high. I'm going to show you quickly what I mean. So look, it came down, made a new low, came up. Now it's got a new low. Hopefully it goes down a bit more and then it comes up. And then that'll be the lower high. When it comes down, that'll be the lower low. This would be entry. Once it comes back up, this would be the entry right here. And then that's it. And then we have our stop losses above here. And then boom. We wait for that money to get printed. Yeah, man. Right now it's a waiting game. It's a waiting game. This is the most annoying bit about trading. But that's how you save your capital. Right now it's a waiting game. So look, uni, that's looking like a good short. I explained to you lot why. What we're waiting for uni to do, yeah. Sui, did we break it? Let's go in the 3-minute. So we broke it on the 3-minute, but like I said, I need a lower high to enter. Like, I can't, like, look, see if we entered right now on that break here, we'll be pissed right now. We'll be like, fuck, it's going back up. See what I'm saying? So like entering like on the break of structure, like I'm not really with it. Like if I'm shorting, like I said, I would wait for a lower high. And if I'm longing, I'll wait for a high low. Like gives me the like for me personally, like it says it's that strategy saved me a lot of money. Like a lot of money. That's why I do that. That's why I trade the way I trade. Always one eye on Bitcoin. Why? Because Bitcoin controls the market. Took me a long time to understand this. Back in the day, yeah, when I was trading altcoins, I'll just do my chart. The setup's looking nice, looking clean. Boom, I'll enter the trade. And then an hour later, I'll be like, yo, why am I down? And then I'll look at Bitcoin and Bitcoin just dump it. Took me like Took me a long time to realize it. Like, no matter what, no matter how good the setup looks, no matter the news, no matter, bro, it don't matter. The only person at this moment that can probably change the whole narrative is Donald Trump. Like if Bitcoin's dumping and Trump goes, yeah, this coin's gonna pump, and I just bought this coin in F China and that coin will pump. Apart from that, I don't think anyone else has the power to do something like to go against what Bitcoin's doing. All right. As you can see, this line is the 0.5. We've done our fib levels already. But what do I mean by 0.5? From this swing low to this swing high, this is the halfway mark. And that's why we're seeing some sort of reaction around here. And we don't want this to break. If this breaks, coming down here for the 618 will be around here. And we definitely don't want that to break. Right now, shorts are winning. But that doesn't mean they can't get hurt. Because market makers need to make their money, right? And then a lot of people is probably longing right now as well. So it's crazy. Uni. I said I'll short uni on the lower high. So give me that lower high. Uni needs to give me that lower high, man. Let me get rid of this. Something like this is what I'm waiting on uni. So it came down, came up, came down, and then come up to like somewhere around here, hopefully. And then obviously, boom, make a new low. This would be my entry. I hate the color yellow. Let's go. So that's one setup for the short, yeah? Obviously, we have to wait. Another setup for the short. Another short setup was Sui. Ooh. Look, this is a perfect example why I don't trade the break of structure. Like, look. Sui looking like he wants to do a double bottom on a smaller time frame anyways. People that short with this break, people that short with the break of this are screwed right now. That's why I always short the lower highs. Yeah, man. It's just the shittest part of trading, just the waiting bit. Just the waiting bit. Shittest part, man. Just the waiting bit, man. Who was that? Was that? I just got a little alert. Who was that? Who was that? Crypto Face? Yeah, I see you. Crypto Face just posted on his X. Just posted on his X. The little double. Yeah. What's that on the 5 minute? What's he looking at? This. As you can see, look. I don't know if you lot can see it. That's his account. I believe he's long. I hear you. I hear you, man. He's a good trader, so you can't. I'm saying you can't knock what he's saying. I hear it though. Right now, that's why as soon as I came in, I said, look, right now I feel like I missed the opportunity to short because shorts was printing. And what am I gonna do? Just join the party late? That's dead. With trading, like in real life, when you go to the party late, you're kind of cool. Like, oh, you came let's say the party started at 1, but you come up at 2 or 3. You're the cool kid. You're the cool guy. You see, with trading, if you come to the party late, you're getting burned. You're getting wrecked. You're losing some money, and your girl's gonna be mad at you. Yeah. But no matter what anyone else is doing, I'm sticking to the plan. If I see that lower high on uni, and if Bitcoin is still looking like it's gonna go down, I'll enter a short. But right now, Bitcoin's not looking like it's going. This is just on the 3 minute. Right now, Bitcoin's not trying to make a new low. This low was the 0.5 level. Just to show you, I'm going to show you how I got the fib levels, just in case anyone's missed it. Done it from this swing low to this swing high. As you can see, this red line, the 0.5, that's where the price reacted. As soon as it hit that, boom, it bounced. Let me zoom in for you lot, just in case you can't see. Look, as soon as it hit the 0.5, buyers came in. That normally happens because that's half of the move, right? So traders will enter like here, or they might have bots that will enter here for them. Here and the 618, the golden pocket, that's where traders love to enter. But yeah. One second. One of my friends just shouted me on Insta. I'm on live now, bro. Yeah, like I said, this is the worst part of trading. Roll through. Cool. And you see, to enter along, yeah, and I see like red everywhere, I don't get scared. That doesn't put me off. Like, it doesn't put me off at all. So I'm gonna get rid of these fib levels because I just don't like the way it looks. On the hour. Alright, 15 minute. Alright, we're not making a new low. 15 minutes. Alright, we're not making a new low. 5 minutes, same thing. But we need to start breaking this high. On the 5 minute, we break this. Happy days. I mean, I'm happy we didn't break this, but when we break this on the 5 minute, happy days, right? My bro just messaged me saying he's at work, otherwise he would have joined the live. See, right now I'm in the UK, I'm in London, so like everyone's at work. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm trading London session, so you know how it is. Everyone's at work. You know how it goes. Fartcoin. I love trading Fartcoin. So we talked about Fartcoin already. Fartcoin, it's that support. We can't mess around with Fartcoin right now. There's no shorts. Impossible. Impossible. Jasmine. You know we killed Jasmine. Telling you. Killed Jasmine. Let me show you quickly. Yeah, we killed Jasmine about 2 days ago. I done I picked 3 coins that was gonna pump, right? Explode next. And then literally within like 12 hours, Jasmine exploded 36%. Can't complain. Sui, and then I done the next video about Sui thinking, yo, if we do get that run, I do believe Sui will outperform SOL. Why? Just because the market cap, Sui's market cap is a lot much like lower than SOL. So you know how it is. If the market starts pumping again, Sui will outperform it. Let's get back to the charts. What are you longing? Twazi said, I'm on a long now. What are you longing, bro? What are you longing? Like, you can't just say I'm gonna long now. Yo, you better tell me what you longing. What? What is it? What coin? You mad man. I'm feeling to long Sui again. A long Sui last night. Let me show you my Sui trade quickly. Last night on the live trade, a long Sui. Quick 28% move. Boom. Kept it moving. Nice and easy. Fast. 45-minute trade. It was my first live trade as well yesterday. And then boom, it banged. That's why I see today I need to keep the ball rolling. I'm feeling to long Sui. Not gonna lie to you though. It's just Bitcoin needs to break this. Cool. That'll be entry. Cool. You see how quick it can change as well, these scalp trading? Because you could be looking for shorts and then something can happen. You could be looking for longs. This is a round trip though. Sylvie's been doing all of these round trips. It went all the way up, came all the way down. Came all the way down, it went all the way up. Came all the way down. This would have been the nicest short. I sold here, right? So I caught it from here to here. I sold here 28%. But it was late. It was like 2 in the morning. So I said, F it. Like, I've done, you know what I'm saying? I've done my first live trade, whatever. But if I entered the short from there, that would have been nice. It would have still been printing. Cool. We're seeing some sort of reaction for Bitcoin, right? 4 hour. So we broke that green line. It's gone a 3 minute just to show you. 178,901. Need the candle to close above this though. We're about to enter Sui long, but it needs to close above here and we can enter that long. How's our uni short? How's that looking? Uni short is coming along. It's coming along. We need that lower high. We get that lower high around here. This would be entry. That's for the short on uni. This is the worst bit of trading, man. Just waiting. Just waiting. It's long, it's annoying, but that's how you save your capital. That's how you save that capital. I mean, shorts will do. Shorts will be like all the shorts. Everyone that's in shorts, they're nice until Bitcoin breaks this. Once Bitcoin breaks this, then you're not gonna have to start thinking about your shorts in it. But right now, Bitcoin is looking like it is gonna do that. Let's go on Sui. Sui is gonna break that. Well, I can't say it is, but it's looking like it's gonna break that. Sui long. Come on, Bitcoin, man. Break it. It's playing games with us, man. Annoying. Sui long, Sui long. Come on, man. A couple of my friends just shout at me. YouTube live, bro. Oh, is he in there? Let me see. Yeah, he's in there. He's in there. All right, cool. Sui long. Bitcoin about to break. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What are we looking Sui on the 5 minute? Let's go. Here you go. Boom. 20x. Let's go. And we're in. Very dangerous trade, but I'm just going off by what Bitcoin's doing. Yeah. So we're in. We're in, chat. Sui long. We're in. We're in. We're in. We are in. Boom. Up. 21, $20. Up 3%. Let's just pattern the stop loss and all of that shit now. Because I forgot to do all of that. Take profit, 50%. Stop loss, 20%. I'm going to bring my stop loss just over here. Nah. And bring it below previous low. So if we go. So look, my stop loss is here, right? This is the previous low. My stop loss is below it. So if we break down, make a new low, I got it wrong. That's it. So we long now. Let's just hope for Bitcoin to bounce. Bitcoin broke this. That's nice, obviously. Now we need it to break this. That's why I just trade level by level, man. That's my thing. I just literally trade level by level, and that way I don't I don't get disappointed like if it goes the other way. Feel me? In the chat, bro. And whoever's watching the live, like, you can ask me questions, man. Literally ask me questions, see what go on. You feel me? Yeah, now stop loss is in. Stop loss is in, bro. I just showed my stop loss. Where's my stop loss? Look, I just showed you. Stop loss is here. So let's go on the charts here and then you can see it better. So my stop loss is here, bro. It's a long way, but that's what I'm willing to lose. This is the previous low. Oof. But yeah, my stop loss down here, my bro. We just need Bitcoin to play ball, man. But this little $24, $26, that's not what we're here for. We've come here for £300. Well, £300, $300. I keep for the show always gets to me, man. Came here for $300. Yeah, that's what we've come here for. So don't play with us, Bitcoin. You come here for that $300. That'd be nice for the morning. You need to understand as well. Everyone else is shorting right now. Like that's why the market's red, and we just entered a long based on potentially Bitcoin having a bounce. So let me explain something to you, like, yeah. The way I trade is Bitcoin controls the market. So if Bitcoin is looking like it's gonna bounce, all the other coins are gonna bounce. Majority of them, anyways. Well, 98% of the coins will do that. So that's a good ratio. So the way I see it is, if Bitcoin's looking bearish, I'll be bearish. If Bitcoin's looking bullish, I'll be bullish. That's how we're doing it. Yeah, I don't really trade. I don't really trade London. I don't really trade London sessions. It's not really my cup of tea, mate. But why not? I'm trying something new. I trade Asia last night. My first live session was Asia. Not even Asia. It was just before Asia when the daily candle closed. I made a quick gains, and yeah, 1 second. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I traded Asia last night. My first thing. Got a little 28% Sui long. Now I'm in a Sui long again. I don't really trade London sessions in it, but it is what it is. I'm trying this new live stream. I'm going to be streaming every day. I'm probably just going to do London. It just makes sense in it. Like school run, drop the kids off, come back. Nah, wake up, dog walk. I got XL bullies. It's long. It's so long. Dog walk, school run, stream, gym, then have some breakfast. Yeah, that's about it, man. So, how long we been streaming for? I don't even know. Yesterday when I done the stream, that shit went quick, real quick. Felt like I done 10 minutes. You decide where to play stop loss and take profit. What do you mean you decide? How do I decide? If it's how do I decide, I'm going to show you right now. When it comes to, so look, let me show, where's the trade? So I done the stop loss here, right? Because this right here is the previous low. So if the price action breaks the previous low, then it's gonna obviously go and make a new low. So my thinking process is wrong because I want the price to go up, right? So I would always do it like that. But a more importantly, when it comes to stop loss, it's all about what I'm willing to lose on the trade. So like in this trade, I think it works out to be like, I don't know, like 100 and something. Yeah, I'll work out in a second, but I think I'm losing, where is it? 30%. So I think it'll work out to be like 200, just under £200 or something like that. That's where it would work out to be. That's what I'm willing to lose on this trade. But obviously, I was kind of lucky enough because that what I was willing to lose brought it just here anyways. So either way, like the previous low, I would do something like this. So like, see, like take profit. See how my take profits up here because that's where the previous resistance was, isn't it? Really and truly, I'm gonna bring it a bit lower just so I can get that profit. Cool, we're starting to cook now. We're on 70. We're up 12%. But like I said, take profits up 49%. I'm gonna need 300. I need 300 from this trade. I'm just manifesting it, saying it out loud. 300 from this trade. But yeah, I hope that answers your question about how do you decide where to put stop loss. Boo, boo, boo. Yeah, that's how I decide, bro. Yeah, man. More times I, more times when I'm in a trade, I just look at Bitcoin. I don't even need to look at, I'm in a SUI right now, yeah? I don't even need to look at SUI because look, you see how it's coming down? That's because Bitcoin's acting up. That's it. Bitcoin's acting up. Let's go on SUI. SUI's acting up. You see the difference? So more times I just look up Bitcoin. When I'm in a trade, I just look up Bitcoin and I'll know whether I'm in trouble or not regarding my trade. Oh, you can't see the wait page. The fuck? Oh, my bad. My bad, my bad, my bad. I fucked up. Thanks for that, bro. How about now? Can you see the page? My bad, you lot didn't see that. I was up like 70 something, $75. So yeah, like I was saying, I don't really, when I'm in a trade, I just look at what Bitcoin's doing. So right now on the 3 minute, Bitcoin is just fucking around. That's why if you go on Sui, Sui's fucking around. But I'm not gonna lie to you lot. Do I feel confident about this trade? Yeah, of course. A lot of people went short here thinking we broke this low. Let's enter a short. They're pissed right now. Let's just leave it like that. My target for this is 50%. It's a $600 trade, so 300. I'm not gonna lie to you, like even if I get 250, 240, I might leave the trade and then get into another trade. That'll be a nice little start for the morning. And all of these I'm showing my stop loss. My bad, I got my friend on Snapchat that just keeps messaging me on Snapchat. What do you want me to do? Show you my stop loss. Cool. Stop loss is here, below the previous low. So I'm risking around $200 if it goes wrong. Feel me, bro? Get back here. Yeah, man. So that's what's going on right now. We just need Bitcoin to have a little bounce. Bitcoin has a little bounce, then we're in the game. And we just don't, Sui just can't create a new low. Sui creates a new low, we're fucked in it. On to the next one. But so far, Bitcoin isn't going down. So far. So far. Go back to the trade. Back to $54. I was up like $77. I don't think you lot saw that because my friend said my screen was acting up. But yeah, this is how I trade, man. This is how I trade. First, I find out what Bitcoin's doing. Then I go and find the altcoins. And then boom, I start doing my thing. Another coin that I really like trading is Fartcoin. Look at Fartcoin, man. This would have been a nice. You see, on the 4 hour, yeah, Fartcoin would have been a nice entry. Makes sense to enter here. Like, who would want to short here? Like, how can you enter a short here? This is where all the buyers are. When you want to enter a short, you enter shorts here and here, where all the sellers are, not down here. Let's look at the 15 minute. On the 15 minute, nice little double bottom. But I don't care about the double bottom. I just care about this. Fartcoin breaks this. Then that's change of character. Looks like we'll be going up. Series going down because Bitcoin's going down. It's a joke thing. But yeah, I'm not worried, man. If Bitcoin breaks this low, then obviously it's time to shit the bed. Until then, we're good. We're good. Till then, we're good, man. Till then, we're good. Like I said, if Bitcoin breaks down here, then the party starts. Then the party really starts. Let's go back on my trade. Am I down now? No, I'm not down. I'm on $28. I was up 70 something. But yeah. Back to entry. How long have I been doing this live for now? 49 minutes. That's crazy. Time flies when you're doing live, you know. You see, when you're doing live as well, the pressure's on you because obviously like you wanna show people like, yo, this is what you do, innit? Because I do this every day anyways. But you see, when I'm on live, it's like I feel like there's there's a bit of pressure like, bro, don't fuck up. Make sure you pick the right setup. Make sure you get the right entry, blah, blah, blah. But I think the more I do it, I'm just going to get numb to those feelings, innit? End of the day, like, no matter how I feel, I'm still trading, like, my strategy. So it's not that deep. It's not that deep at all. So we obviously needs to break this. That's resistance, so we turn it green, we turn it red. If Sui breaks this box, we're coming up here. If Sui breaks this line, we're coming up here. That's just that's just the way I trade, level by level. Bitcoin needs to fix up, otherwise our trade's gonna be void. Yo, my friend keeps asking me about stop loss. What, yeah, what, are you in the trade? Or did you enter the trade, bro? Cause you keep asking about the stop loss, bro. Did you enter that trade, my guy? Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, so the other day, what I do? I smashed Jasmine. Done a video 2 days ago. And this video, I told you Jasmine would pump, the one that's got like 260 views. I smashed that trade, 36%. Nice trade for me. Sui, I honestly believe Sui will outperform Solana if the market pumps, just because of the market cap. Honestly believe that. Well, so what else is on my channel? I got a couple shorts on my channel. Let me show you what I did yesterday. Yesterday I went live. This is the live session. I caught Sui. I traded Sui. Caught long. Boom. 28% move. That was nice. That was nice. I ain't gonna lie to you. Not because of the money. The money wasn't. It wasn't about the money. It was just my. When you have your thinking process and it just you say what you think is gonna happen and why you think that way and it happens. Come on, man. You know what I'm saying? Come on, bro. And it happens, like, you can't complain. You just have to say thank God. Say thank God. Cool. $44. Like I said, I want 300 from this trade, but sometimes you have to take what the market gives you. So if it gives me 200, I'm out. If it gives me 250, I'm out. If the price went up a bit more, yeah, I would have done my stop loss to entry and it would have just been a free trade. No risk. But right now we're just losing momentum, man. It's looking like it's gonna go down. It's annoying. Because Bitcoin's doing this. Annoying. Trade's gonna get void, guys. I can't predict the future, but if this breaks and Bitcoin keeps on going lower, the trade's gonna be void. It's the annoying bit of trading, man. It's the annoying bit of trading. But obviously, if this holds and Bitcoin does something like this, come up, use this as support, and then makes a new high and breaks all of this. This is the kind of shit we want to see from Bitcoin. I'm down, I'm up, I'm down. This is what you call a nice little healthy uptrend. Even though it's on the 3 minute, it doesn't matter. As long as it's making new highs and higher lows, new highs, higher lows, new highs, higher lows. That's what you call nice. healthy app market. You can long this all day long. All day long. Let's go back to our trade. What's it saying now? Cool. Just gonna mark this here. Why can't I change the color? There you go. Change it to make it massive. We need to break that. That's resistance right now. We break that, the chances of us going up here is higher. Like I said, I trade level by level. So like, let me show you how important this is, yeah? This is going up now, right? The only reason this is going up is because Bitcoin's going up. Like, I didn't need to look at Bitcoin chart to know that. Like, Bitcoin controls the market. It's crazy, man. Took me a long time to understand this. I'm telling you guys, like, you know, as soon as you get that in your head, and before you enter a trade, you should always look at what Bitcoin is doing. Because let's say, like, for example, you lot are about to long ETH, yeah, and everything in the chart and the price action is telling you it's good for a long, yeah, you're about to buy it, yeah. But if Bitcoin is looking like it's gonna go down, ETH is gonna go down. That's why you should always be like, yo, what's Bitcoin doing? What's Bitcoin doing? All right, cool. And then enter your trade. Nothing's changed here for Bitcoin, even though this is a nice little candle. We need to break this. This needs to get broken. Ideally, broken, come back, use for support, and then up, 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 up. Just trying to learn, bro. Yeah, trust me. So we all, my bro, man. I'm learning every day as well, man. I'm learning every day as well, bro. Every day, bro. Trust me. Man said, "My, you know." What's wrong with me? All right, cool. What do I think of Ethereum market right now? Bro, fuck ETH. Nah, I'm chatting shit. I'm chatting shit. ETH's annoying, bro. Listen to me. ETH hasn't done nothing in 4 years, bro. 4 years, bro. Like, do you know how long it's, bro? If you go on Ethereum right now, look at a chart for Ethereum, yeah, and you look at it now, bro. It's the same, bro. Annoying. Let's go on ETH now, yeah. You said ETH. Let's go on ETH. Let's go on the weekly, just so I can. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about, yeah. What's this? 2025. 2021, bro. November 2021. ETH was at 4,700, yeah? 4 years later, that's where it topped out. Like, that's not normal. Like, you're supposed to, like, 4 years later, you're supposed to make a new high. You're supposed to be coming up here. Like, you're supposed to be coming up here. Do you see what I'm saying, bro? Like, bro, it took you, what, about 4 or 5 years, bro, to do nothing. It's annoying, bro. Like, if you bought ETH in 2024, like April, you're basically break even right now in 2026. Bro, it's annoying. It's proper annoying. ETH is annoying, man. I'm sorry if I just went on a mad one, yeah, but it pisses me off. Obviously, I got ETH in it. You know what I'm saying? It just pisses me off. It just makes me regret that I should have sold everything. Proper pisses me off, bro. Yeah, that's what I think of Ethereum market right now, bro. Shit. Dog shit. But obviously, if you what are you holding ETH? Like, have you got Ethereum? Are you holding it? Like, are you like have you got the coins? And are you like waiting to sell your coins, or are you looking to, or are you looking to get into ETH? That's the real question. Are you holding ETH, or are you looking to get into ETH? That's the real question, bro. Because if you're looking to get into ETH, me personally, I'm not. Me personally, bro, I can't advise anyone in it. But me personally, I'm not. You see, all of this spot trading, like buying a coin and waiting 3 months, 6 months. I don't think now's the time for that. I don't think, like, I think we're in the bear market. And everyone might think, oh yeah, he's saying that because the market is down. No. 4 months ago, yeah. Where's that video that I done like 4 months ago? Yeah. It's like 4.5 months ago. You see in this video, bro, I said, that's it. The bull market is done. We're never gonna see Bitcoin at 130K. We've topped out. This is the top. Said that 4 months ago. All these other YouTubers was like, no, we're going to 150, 200, Elon Musk, Donald Trump, all of that bullshit. But remember, I've been here like 5 years. I've been in this space for 5 years now. So I respect them. I respect how the cycle works, innit? You know what I'm saying? And it was just, I believe the top's in. I could be wrong, but so far I've been right. Like, so far I've been right. Now, if you go on YouTube, all these big YouTubers, they're changing the narrative. Like, they're moving the goalposts. Now they're like, oh, yeah, the bear market. We need to be ready for a bear market. Shut up, bro. 5 months ago, when I said this, you lot was like, nah, it's gonna be a bull market forever. It's annoying, bro. But anyway, that's ETH. That's me on ETH. It just pisses me off whenever someone asks me about ETH, man, because I had so much hope for ETH, bro. All right, let's get back to the trade. As you can see, we broke that resistance, but we really need to break it. I'm up $82 now. Like I said, I'm here for $300. Nothing less. I'm chatting shit. I'm chatting shit. I'm a humble guy, man. I'll be happy wherever I get. It is the first trade of the day, so ideally 300 would be nice. But yeah, yeah, I hope I answered your question, bro. That's what I think of the Ethereum market right now. Fucking shit. All right, cool. $100. Obviously, Bitcoin's pumping. Not pumping, but Bitcoin's doing bits. Let's go on the 15-minute. What happened to my chart? It's looking nice. 3-minute. There you go. There you go. Bitcoin is at that bit now. This is when some serious questions are gonna get asked. Are we gonna break this previous high? If we do, that is good for our trade. Why? Because the price is going up and we are in a long, and obviously we want Bitcoin to go up. So far, Bitcoin's asking questions. Let's go in the trade. See how the trade's reacting. Up $100 now. Cool. So we broke that now, yeah? Now we need to break this. Not just break it, but we need a candle close above here. And if we do get that, then we're coming up here. Level by level, man. That's why I just trade level by level, bro. Everything else is long. And if we start coming up like here, then I'll put my stop loss at entry. And that way, this is just a free trade. If I got it wrong, who cares? It's a free trade. If I got it right, happy days. We make $300. First trade of the day. This is the bit now. This is the interesting bit. Bitcoin's asking questions. And for all the people that just joined now, obviously I took a trade based on what Bitcoin was doing. I believed Bitcoin was gonna bounce for the short term anyways. Quick scalp. I chose Sui, which is an altcoin, obviously. And yeah, that's where we're at right now. Target is 50%. I put a $600 trade on. So $300, that's the target. If I get 250, 220, I don't know. I might take it. First trade of the day. You know what I'm saying? First trade of the day. I might take it. Back to the charts. There you go. Bitcoin asking questions now. Nice, 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 nice. Look at the trade. 117. We need to break, man. This needs to break. Let's look at on trading view. Sui. Sui, like I told you, this is the danger zone. This box, I marked this, what, about 15 minutes ago? 10 minutes ago? This is danger zone. If we break here, then the chances of coming up here and here is higher. That's why we do level by level. So far, that entry is looking good, in it. This is our entry right here. Break off this high. It broke, came back, retested. Can't get a better entry than that. So far, we're smashing through this resistance. Hopefully, we get into this one. Should be up like 120. Yep, 120. Nice. We're printing, we're printing, we're printing. Six people live in the chat. I appreciate you lot, man. This is my second stream. Done one last night. And this the second one. Done one last night. Where is it? Right here. Done one last night. I caught 28% move on Sui. Live on stream. And now this is my second stream. So yeah, man. Happy days, happy days. I can't complain. Alright, cool. We need to come up here. This needs to get used as support now, man. Otherwise, we're cooked. Otherwise, the move could be over. I mean, my take profit is only here. Like, you know what I'm saying? Come on, Sui. Give me my little $300 and I'll leave you alone for the day. Psych. All right. So, I done this earlier, right? I say we need a break, come back, retest. A break, which would be this would be the break. Come back, retest. Up, come down, up. Let's see if this plays out. Done this live on the stream. Sometimes this shit plays out and sometimes it don't. But if this shit plays out on the 3 minute, the uptrend's confirmed and Sui should pump. If this breaks and then we start breaking here, then I'm afraid the trade's gonna be dead. I'm just being real with you guys. Yep. Bitcoin needs to fix up. I don't know, bro. You never know, my bro. You never know, because you see, crypto is just it's a crazy place, bro, man. I don't know where Bitcoin can just go down 2% and then boom, done. Game over. The trade just done. Stop loss hit. Feel me? Hopefully, it's looking like that right now. We just need it to come here. Basically, we don't want Bitcoin to break this. We just want it to come back, just like what I've done over here. Use it as support, and then onto the next resistance. That's the best outcome for our trade right now. And chat, let me ask you, like, how's my audio? Like, can you like hear me? Like, is my audio nice and that? Can you like hear me proper? Because yesterday I was having some issues with my mic. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Uh, we might as well just look at what Bitcoin's doing because there's no point looking at a trade. Bitcoin controls the market. So far, so good. We haven't broke. We haven't broke this yellow line. Let's pull out some indicators. Moving averages. Let's go on the 1 hour. Let's go on the 15-minute. 5-minute. Sometimes I pull out these moving averages just to see what going, just to see what averages we're fighting. Right now we're fighting this one. It's not looking good, bro. It's not looking good. Sellers are sellers are coming in. They don't want it to break up here because they know if it breaks up here, it's coming up here. You can tell by the wick. See how we ain't got no ain't even got a full body. This candlestick doesn't have a body. It's just got a wick. That's just selling pressure, selling pressure, selling pressure. Even though it's just on the 3-minute, it still kind of paints a picture. Our trade won't be doing so good. Yeah, back to 80. Like I said, look, see this? This is resistance. We need to break that. When I mean by break it, see this? Let me show you right now. See what it's done here, yeah? This ain't breaking it. It's just a wick. A break is basically when it breaks it and you see the full candle above this line. Then that's a break. That's a confirmed break anyways. This is just a wick. This is so far what is this? This is position size is 12,400. We're up $87. It was up like 120, I think. But yeah, not looking good, bruh. Stop loss is all the way down here. Below previous low. Ideally, I can put stop loss up here now into some profit because this would be our previous low. But I don't want to get wicked out. Sometimes it just wicks, stomps everyone out, and then flies back up. That's why I'm just leaving it there. But really and truly, I should. Well, this stream's been going on longer than an hour. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. But chat, where you lot? Where's everyone from? Where you lot from the UK? I know one of my boys, he's in here. He's from the UK. Well, like 6 people here. Just wondering. You lot must be from the UK, innit? Either way, it don't matter. It don't matter where you're from. You can be from anywhere, bro. It doesn't matter. We're here to learn. Hopefully make some serious gains. Hopefully make some serious gains. But yeah, let's go back to our... It's not looking good, bruh. I'm not really panicking. I'm not really panicking at all. I mean, if we break here, then I'll panic, innit? Not panic, but I'll be like, fuck. It's more obvious what's going to happen. It's a rollover. But I still got... Just Bitcoin that's ruining our trade, man. Bitcoin that's ruining our trade, that's all. Look at ETH USDT 15 minutes. Buying opportunity. Wow. Bitcoin just ruined our trade. 15 minutes, you said, yeah? Let me look at the hour first. So far, like this, came down. Obviously, this is where all the liquidity, support, whatever you want to call it, is here. Wicked, touch that. What I want to do is I want to put a fib level from this low to this high. I'm gonna want to touch ETH right now, man. But you said on the 15-minute, right? So let's go on the 15-minute. I mean, I hear you. We break here. We break that. I hear you. Next resistance is here. And the next one's here. So there'll be your targets. I hear you still. I hear you. I hear you on ETH, bro. I hear you. And our trade is collapsed. Back to entry, right? Joke ting. Joke ting. Right now, the best thing that can happen to our trade, we're fucked. Anyways, yeah. Yeah, we're fucked. Let me just show you how fucked we are. We're fucked. Now we're down. Best thing that can happen to our trade right now is it doesn't break this low. If it doesn't break this low, then cool. But yeah. See what I'm saying about how everything could be looking good, and then this little bitch can ruin the whole thing. And look, that's what it's doing. Everything was looking cool, bro. But yeah, like the best scenario right now is Bitcoin doesn't break this low. It comes down to around here and then makes a new high. If it doesn't make a new high, then it's a wrap. It's a wrap, chat. I mean, whoever entered Sui short here, it's kind of nice because they've seen what's happened over here, came down, came up. They're thinking, yo, this is a nice short opportunity. Really and truly, I could have sold here, but you know my thing. I was aiming for down here and I was aiming for down here. That's just how it goes. Uh, Down $30. Stop loss all the way down here. That's why I'm willing to lose on this trade anyways. You see, when I told you I should have stopped, I should have put my stop loss down here. I would have been in profit because that would have been break of structure. But I didn't because I didn't want to get wicked out. I thought this would have just been a wick. Sometimes it just wicks and then it flies back up. I don't want that to happen to me. So that's why I left it running. But yeah, man. London sessions is just so dead. Like, you see New York session. Like, as soon as 2:30, when the market opens, you see the volume, bro. Volume just pumps in. And like, whether we're going down or up, it happens real quick. See with UK, like London session, like Europe, kind of meaty, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That's why I like trading like Asia sessions and New York sessions. Because the amount of volume that just comes in the market in the space of like 2-3 hours is unreal. A coin can just go from 3% to like 15-20% in the space of like an hour or two. Down here, like, bro, look, like, what we doing? Like, what we doing? Don't even make sense. Said ETH, yeah. Let's look at ETH here. 15 minutes, you said a lie. Yeah, I hear you, man. I hear you. But me personally, because I missed this entry, right? So, you know, if I was looking to trade ETH, the way I see it, I missed this entry. This entry would have been nice. This, the low came down here. Boom, this would have been a nice entry. So, because I missed that entry, the next stop would be here. This would be my entry. Once it breaks that, it comes back, retest. This is how I trade ETH. Aiming for all of that. So obviously from here to here, it's a dead move though, 1.5%. But then again, if you're using leverage, 20x, 10x, you're still making some money, right? So it's not that deep. It's not that deep at all. Like I said, best case scenario for Bitcoin, we need to break this high. If we break this high, we're nice. So far, the only thing that's looking good on Bitcoin is this little bad boy. That's the only thing that's looking good right now, Bitcoin. We got a high low on the 15 minutes. But yeah, looking peak, chat. It's looking peak. It's looking like we're gonna lose some money today. Joke thing. That's part of the game, man. Part of the game. Part of the game. What did you say you saw on ETH? Hmm. I mean, look, ETH's just mimicking Bitcoin, obviously, because see it low, high, low. Go on Bitcoin, low, high, low. Yeah, man. The way I see it, look, as long as look, let me tell you like the bullish scenario on the smaller time frame, yeah. As long as Bitcoin don't break this low, we're all right. Stand this. There's still a chance, yeah. But once we break this low, let's turn this what? Do what's that? Let's make it bigger. Once we break this low, like we're in trouble because the chances of it breaking this low is even higher. Once it breaks that low, that's it. Forget about it. Shorts are winning. Right now, the bears are fighting the bulls, and the bulls are trying to win. They're trying to get some sort of little reaction. They're trying to get some sort of bounce. That's all that's happening right now. It's just tug of war. Tug of war. Sui. Sui. Suri gave me some peas. Suri, what did I mean, she did say, look, here's $120 for breakfast. Take it. And I said, nah, bitch, I want more. I was like, I want $300. You know what I'm saying? So I can't be mad at Suri. I can't be mad at Suri. I just really thought like we was gonna come here at least. But it is what it is. Bitcoin just weak right now, man. I'm gonna make these streams litter, man. I'm gonna have some music in the background. I'm gonna make it a lot much engaging. Right now, just watching me just watch charts. It's mad, innit? Mad, it's mad, it's mad. But yeah, Bitcoin stand. The bears are starting to show off now. They'll be like, look, we're in control now. Like, like I said, if this gets broken, we're pissed. We're pissed, 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 pissed. Fartcoin's dumping. Fartcoin's the biggest loser. Fartcoin and what else? Zcash 15%. Wow. Wow. And this is our trade. Obviously, this was entry. We're probably down like $30 or something. Let me check. $40, 44. Jesus. It's another round trip, you know. But it is what it is. We've got stop loss down here. We was up $120. I didn't take it because I was trying to get 300. I actually did say I don't mind even if it got to like 200, I'll probably take it. But the reason why Bitcoin is dumping is because, well, no one knows why Bitcoin is dumping, but the reason why my coin is dumping is because Bitcoin is dumping. Been in this life for like an hour and 20 minutes. That's mental. I usually just do like videos, like 15-minute, 10-minute, 7-minute video. So I'm in and out. You feel me? Like I don't like all of this is all weird to me. Like sitting here and just doing a live show is weird. So look, let me break this down to you, like, yeah. See, when it comes to trading, yeah, majority, like 90% is all about like how your brain handles pressure or how your brain reacts under pressure. Because everyone knows how to trade, everyone understands the charts, whatever, yeah. But it's just you need to sort the emotion side out of it. Because if you're mad emotion, like so basically what I'm trying to say is, you know, if you're trading with your last $100, yeah, the chances are you're gonna fuck up your trade because there's too much emotion in that trade. because you know you can't lose that $100. If you lose that, you're fucked. You ain't got no money to your name. You feel me? So it's like it's too much motion. So yeah, so trading is all about your brain, man. How your brain handles situations, whether you're up or whether you're going down or whether the trade's looking bad or all of that stuff. That's what trading's all about, bro. So whoever's watching this, just always try to remember that, and it's all about how you handle yourself in under some situations, isn't it? How do you cope? Like, are you gonna crumble under pressure? Or are you gonna stick to your guns? Or like, are you gonna stick to your rules and your principles? That's all it is. Like, I've seen some traders be like, "Yeah, I'm long in this," and then they'll be like, "No, I'm shorting it," because they're just seeing the thing going down, and they'll enter a short, and then when it starts going up, they're like, "Fuck! I knew I should have longed it." Like, bro, you talking? You got too much motion in that trade. You feel me? Like me, look, I was just up $120. I was aiming for $300, even like 250, 280, and I was willing to risk like 200, like 190 or something. But that money that I'm willing to risk, to me, I've already seen it as gone. Like, it's gone. Whether I lose or whatever, it's gone, bro. It's like, like if you just went outside and you lost $200, I already had it in my head. That's it. That's gone. So that's why I'm not emotionally attached to this trade, because if the money goes, fuck it, the money's gone, innit? That's just I take every trade like that. Before, I never used to be like that. Before, I used to get into a trade, I'd be like, I can't lose this. And then I end up doing dumb shit because I'll be winning. And then just because I'm so scared of losing that money, I end up pulling out too early. And then boom, the trade does another 5x, and then I'll be pissed. It's long. It's long, man. Right, Bitcoin broke the line. I said we don't want it to break. Yeah, we're fucked. We're cooked, man. Buyers, if the buyers don't step in now, that's it. We're cooked. We are cooked. We are cooked, bruh. Probably down like $70 now or something. That's 58, 60. We are cooked, bruh. If the buyers don't step in now, that's it. We're cooked. I need to get some music and that running in this stream, man. I'm gonna make this more engaging. Trust me. I'm just still working everything out. I'm gonna make this stream a little much more engaging. Feel me? A little much more engaging, bruh. Tui just needs to. It's just can't make a new low, man. If it makes a new low, we're done. Our stop loss is down here. If it makes a new low, we're pissed. Stumped out. Bitcoin broke that. That's what hurts the most. Bitcoin breaking this line. That's what hurts the most, bruh. Because we had a good thing going on here. It was going up, coming down, going up, going down. Now he wants to do the opposite. And I said if this breaks and it closes below here, the chances of coming down here is way higher. Is this pump real? Are we gonna pump and fuck up all the shorts? Yeah, right. Who knows? You know what's mad? Even though my man said Eve, yeah, Eve has got buying pressure in the 15 minute, anyways. Buyers like Eve around here. You can tell by the wick. You can tell by the wick. On the 15 minute, this line's looking like it wants to hold. On the 5 minute, this line's looking like it wants to hold. Right. She, my bro, thank you, man. Thank you very much. Cool. So what's the trade saying now? We're getting there. Break even about to hit. She. We just need this Bitcoin pump to be real. So what's crazy? I stopped. I stopped smoking cigarette, and right now I just want to smoke a fag. I want to smoke a cigarette. Like I get the cravings. Like it's crazy. I get the cravings every day. I'm on day 7 now, so it's like bear in mind I've been smoking for like 15 years straight, and then I'm doing all of this. It's not really New Year, New Me, but you can call it that. But I'm trying to stop all the cigarette. I don't drink, so you know how everyone's got their little something that they do. My thing was just it used to be weed, and I stopped smoking weed. I haven't smoked weed in like coming up to 3 years. And then when I stopped smoking weed, I started smoking cigarettes. And then now it's gonna be no cigarettes. I need to find a hobby, man. I need to find a bad hobby. I'm joking. But yeah, right now, cigarette would be lovely. It'd be lovely, mate. It'd be fucking lovely. Boom, break even gang. Or not. Bitcoin just needs to break its previous high. If it does, we're good. But if it don't, you know what's happening. We're coming down here. It's annoying, but I'm just being real with you. Steve, my guy, thanks for coming through, man. Smashing the likes. Love, bro. Thank you. I appreciate you, my guy. Right now, we're just trying to cook, trying to catch a trade. I mean, was we was in Sui earlier. The market gave us like 100. Where was we? Was up here. I think it gave us like $120, and I wanted more. Obviously, the plan was to the plan was to get 300, but I did say like if we get to like 220, 250, I'll take that for the first trade of the day. But the market only wanted to give me 120, so I stayed in. I was gonna put my stop loss over here. I was gonna move my stop loss up here, so I would have been in a little bit of profit. But I said nah, just let it run because I thought I was gonna get wicked out. Ended up not being a wick. Ended up not even being a wick. Ended up being like a full candle. Boom. And the only hope that we had was it didn't break this low, and this would be a high low. But we will know that this is a high low, and basically the only way we can confirm this is going to be a high low, that's if we break this. That's in my opinion, isn't it? That's it. If we break this, then this would be a high low. We create a new high, and then on to the next stop. And I said Bitcoin needs to hold this line. We don't want it to break this blue line. Right now, this is what everyone's fighting. Everyone's fighting for this blue line. We should need to do something like this, man. Come and get all this liquidity for these liquidity traders. We need that. If we get something like that, I've definitely made my 300 for the day, for the morning, and I can go gym and call it a day, and then come back at New York, try and make another little 1,000 or 1,500 or whatever, and call it a day. 5-minute buys look like they're coming in for Bitcoin. But we need more, man. We need more. We need more. We need more, bro. My girl just texted me saying, you staying on live all day. Nah, I'm not. I'm not. Look, how long have we been on for? Hour and 43. Just 17 more minutes, and then I've done 2 hours in it. 17 more minutes, then I've done 2 hours. Hopefully, within that 17 minutes, we'll be in profit. This yellow line don't even matter anymore. Now we're here. This needs to break. 17 more minutes, and I'm out of here. Let's just do a quick little recap. So basically, I entered Sui long when the market was dumping. Bitcoin looked like it was gonna bounce into the long. My target was to make £300, $300. I end up making $120, $120. And I said to myself, nah, I want more. I want at least 220, 250. And that's where we are right now. I now think let's just go on it. I think I'm down now. I'm down $60. $60. But yeah, my stop loss is down here anyways. That's why I was willing to risk. My stop loss below previous low, which would be this one. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. That was just a quick recap. Why did I enter the Bitcoin long? Because I saw this low and then I saw this high low. That indicated that the price might go up for a little bit. So that's why I entered the long. Why did I pick Sui? Because I just saw the same thing on Sui. I saw Sui go up, come down, didn't make a new low. So I was like, cool. And I waited, and then once it broke here, I entered. Yeah, that's where we're at right now. Not gonna lie, this streaming thing's kind of long. I've been here for time. I've been here for like what? Hour and 40 minutes. That's crazy. Shit, nigga got shit to do, bro. I got a gym and that. Jesus. But yeah, that's where we're at right now, man. Best scenario for Sui is we fucking pump, bro. We pump. We break this. Come here, break this. Because that's where we stopped last time. And we come up here and then give me my $300. And we call it a day, mate. Worst case scenario, it's gonna come and make a new low. I get stumped out. That's it. Trading value. That's where we're at right now. Bro told me look at ETH. ETH for long. I still stick to it, man. As long as ETH, when I ain't long in no ETH until it breaks up here. That's it. Facts. My bro just messaged me saying I need a Red Bull. Bro, I was up late last night. I done a stream last night. Fucking I traded Asia session. Kids woke me up at like 6 in the morning. I've had like 4 hours sleep, bro. And then this trade's pissing me off as well. I'm about to get stumped out. I need more than a Red Bull, bro. I need 5 Red Bulls, bro. Yeah, this trade's invalid now. Well, it's not right now, but I can basically see what's happening. We broke this. I told you we didn't need, I told you like, yo, breaking this is bad. We broke it. So next step, obviously, is down here. For my trade, my stop loss is down here, down $56. It is what it is, man. I was up 120. Obviously, my target is $300, isn't it? It is what it is. I'm gonna stay on the stream for another 15 more minutes. I'm gonna do 2 hours. That'll be a 2 hour stream, and I'm out. And obviously, I'll keep you lot up to date. At yesterday's stream, boom, first stream of the day, boom, 28%, lovely, nice. Um, Obviously today when I was up, I could have closed at 120 and just took my pictures and be like, look, another winning trade. But it's not about that. Like my plan was to make 300. If it's not 300, at least 220, 250. It needs to make sense for me. Do you get? But anyways, um, once this stream's done, I'm gonna finish in about 15 minutes. Whatever happens, follow me on X because I'm gonna post a result on X, and that's how we're doing this. Everything I do is documented. Like if you don't see it on my YouTube channel, you're gonna see it on X. And if I enter any trades, I always post it on X because look, I always show you lot my entries on X. These are all my trades on X. I show you entry, look, entry. Obviously, you see what happens. Boom, pumps. I enter. I don't just show you like entries and I don't enter the trade. I enter the trade, bro. Feel me? Boom. Enter the trade. I show you like how much money I made on the trade. Boom. SNX. SNX one I showed you lot from. I baby stepped everyone through this thing. I even told you seriously if you. I even tell you when to take profit, bro. On the SNX. You feel me? I tell you, like, don't get scared now. Like, we still got a long way to go. That's when it was at 35%. Feel me? I showed you the entry. Boom. I was like slowly getting it. This was it. Once we broke this triangle, I said, yo, that's it. Look, that's when I entered. Zero. Like, no profit, no loss. That's when I entered. And I showed everyone. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. So just keep an eye out on X. I'm on X. That's where I post everything. That's where I update my community because it's easy to update because I'm just on my phone. I could be in the gym, school run, whatever. I can just quickly just send a tweet and everyone's updated. Regarding Bitcoin, just playing games with us now. It's playing games with the shorts, with the people that's short and playing games with the people that's long in. What are we doing? Are we coming down? Are we going up? Make your mind up. It's the boring bit of trading. Siri, same thing. Same thing, same thing, same thing. Yeah, man, I just want to say thanks everyone for smashing the likes. 6 viewers, 6 likes. Can't go wrong, eh? Can't go wrong. I'm gonna be doing this every day. So I'm gonna stay consistent. So you're gonna see my numbers go up. You're gonna see my numbers go up. Because I'm that guy that don't charge no one for nothing. And I just try to teach you lot what I know for free. So it's like it's a no-brainer. You feel me? It's literally a no-brainer. As long as I stay consistent and I stream every day and post every day, my numbers will go up. Like when I started this channel, bro, I had like 5 subscribers. Now I'm on 252. And that was like 4 months ago. And I wasn't even posting every day. I was just posting every other day, every other week. But this year, I'm posting every day. As you can see, I started this year strong. I'm consistent with it. Before that, look, I post a month, and then you won't see me. Like you won't see, man. It's weird. Like now, there, every day. So even after I do the stream, yeah, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna go gym. I'm gonna take my son football, and then go gym, and then come back do a video, post that. Feel me? So I'm gonna be active, man. Active, active gang. Honestly, if you ask me, because I don't like predicting, what do you think is going to happen with this trade? I think I'm going to lose this trade. I think we're going to get stumped out. I think the price is going to come down here, stump me out, and I'll be at a loss. In my opinion, if I had to predict in it. That's it. I'm just being real with you, innit? Just don't like, see, London sessions is just weak, man. The UK, the way just Europe trades is just weak. If this was New York or like Asia session, you see a lot more, you see a lot of volume, man. A lot of volume, bro. None of these dead. Like, what are we doing? Are we going up or are we going down? Like, make your mind up. Make your fucking mind up, bruh. Yeah, we got like 7 minutes left of the stream, and that's 2 hours. A month done, and then you lot can catch me here tomorrow, same time. As soon as London session opens, I'll be here tomorrow. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna keep trading London sessions every morning. That's what we're gonna do, man. God willing, if I'm still alive, that's what we're doing. This would have been a great, great exit, you know. But the problem was I didn't catch this move. I didn't enter down here. If I enter down here, this would have been nice. But I entered on this break and the retest. This move wasn't enough for me. You know what I'm saying? This wasn't enough. This would have been nice around here. But Bitcoin destroyed the party. That's just how the game goes, man. Bitcoin controls the whole market. Let's get rid of that now. This becomes a key point now. Now it turns to this. That's just how it goes, man. Knowing this was support before. Now it's resistance. Obviously, we're looking at the smaller time frame, innit? Because if you go on the 4 hour, whoa, on the 4 hour, clearly the buyers are coming in. We got like 2 minutes left and we're out, chat. Want to say thanks for everyone that rolled through. I smashed the likes. I hope you learned something. Next time, if you really haven't like, if you was in the chat with me for the past 2 hours and you're just watching and you didn't really ask me any questions, next time just ask me questions, innit? You might teach me something. I might teach you. I might learn something. You feel me? This is a long chat though. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. This is a long live. 2 hours. That's crazy. Literally, yesterday's live was like 45 minutes. That went quick. This one started dragging. That's why one of my friends sent me a message on Instagram. Yo, you need some Red Bull. I must look tired, innit? It's annoying, bro. I need 2 Red Bull and some coffee after this. But yeah, I'm gonna keep you lot posted, man. I'm gonna keep you lot posted on X. Obviously, I'm gonna show you lot. I'm gonna show you lot how the trade got on, whether I took a loss or whether I made pro. And I'll keep you lot updated, man. You lot know what to do. Like, subscribe, all of that. I'll see you lot tomorrow.